Cars are not only becoming more digital, but also increasingly independent. The UN ECE regulation R157 for automated lane keeping systems, ALKS, determines which requirements a vehicle must meet in order to independently perform a number of driving tasks. This concerns passenger cars and trucks. It's the first step towards automated driving systems, ADS, fully automated driving with ultimate responsibility for the vehicle manufacturer. The ALKS regulations are a part of a series of developments in the field of digital security, including the R155 for cybersecurity and the R156 for software updates. The R155 and the R156 are mandatory. The R157 is not. The manufacturer determines whether and for which countries it applies. To obtain type approval R157, the manufacturer must be in possession of type approval R155 and R156. The ALKS regulation makes it possible to transfer the driving task to the vehicle on motorways. Under current regulations, the vehicle may drive independently up to a maximum of 60 km an hour. The driver determines when the system is turned on. He or she must always be able to take over the driving task if necessary. The system must be able to perform an emergency stop independently. As soon as the ALKS functionality is enabled, the liability shifts from the driver to the manufacturer. The manufacturer itself monitors the system during use. In addition, the ALKS functionality can only be used in approved countries and on highways. With the digitization of vehicles, the approval frameworks are also changing. These are becoming more complex and rely more on risk analysis, open standards, externally acquired knowledge, multidisciplinary teams, and interpretations of results. As a result, the role of the RDW as an admitting body is changing more to the role of supervisor. In addition to guaranteeing vehicle safety, road safety is also important. Therefore, the interaction with the driver, other road users and the environment must be included in the assessment. The RDW works intensively with other parties, including Rijkswaterstaat and CBR. A step-by-step approval approach shows whether the ALKS system is functioning properly. The first step is to simulate various traffic scenarios in a virtual environment. The second step is to perform critical scenarios on a closed test track. Then, the driving test takes place on the public motorway or highway. The so-called transfer of control is also tested. Reports concerning ALKS can be made on the contact form Connected Automated Vehicles on the RDW website. The regulations took effect at UN level on January 22, 2021. UN ECE now foresees an expansion, an increase in speed from 60 km an hour to a maximum of 130 km an hour, and the possibility to change lanes. This regulation is expected to apply from early 2023. Vehicle automation can improve road safety. Want to know more? Visit rdw.nl.